Hey guys and girls, back in the shop this afternoon. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Kreg drill bit and collar kit. Came with the little wrench and measure here. So let's get started. Let's get that thing out of there. And you can't, I don't know if you can see or not, but this drill bit has markings on where to set your collar depending on the depth of the lumber that you're going to be drilling in. So let's go ahead, we'll get the collar out, the measure. This is a really neat tool. One, it's got the hex key that fits the collar, so you can tighten it down once you get it into place. It also has, you can see right here, a little measuring guide, so that you can use it for measuring the depth of the piece of wood that you're going to be drilling into. This drill bit is specifically designed for drilling pocket holes. So today we're going to be drilling into a 2x4, and you can see the width. I already have my K4 jig set up. So I'm going to go ahead and get this collar set, and there's a hole in the drill bit so you can set the marking and you can see what level to set your collar at. You take your hex key, goes right here in the side, tighten it to that spot, set it down, we'll get our drill, put it in our drill bit, put our drill bit in. And in the Kreg K4 jig, just going to drill a couple of holes here. One, two. Man, those are quick. Nice sharp bit. And you can see it drills you a couple of pocket hole jigs. Now, the reason I had to buy a new one of these is because I've been doing a lot of pocket hole projects. And so I wanted to show you one of the projects that I've currently done. This is a recent project that I just completed using the Kreg jig and the drill bit and collar set. It's a table made out of 2x4s. I'm going to be giving it as a gift to someone. So that's what you use the K4 jig and drill bit and collar kit for. Just wanted to go over that. I got mine again. I purchased this on Amazon for about 15 bucks. It's definitely something that you want to keep in mind when you're doing a lot of pocket hole projects, that you have a good sharp bit and a collar that's easy to adjust for different sizes and lengths of lumber that you're going to be drilling the pocket holes in. Anyway, Amazon's where I got it. Kreg, another perfect and quality product. Thank you, Kreg. If you like this video, subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next time.